Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Elsie Fikri. Student identification number 2 1 30 40 10 44. This time I will promote a service product that is in the bank. No one of them is deposit saving. So first of all, I will introduce what is a deposit. Deposits are money held in an account. One deposit usually have a certain time period in which the money in it cannot be withdrawn by the customer. New depositor can be withdrawn according to the maturity date. Usually, deposits have maturities of 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. If the deposit is withdrawn before the maturity date, it will be subject to a penalty in accordance with the policy of the bank concerned. Penalties are a way for the bank to avoid risk if its customers are impatient to immediately funds invested in the form of deposit. 2. Deposits can also be automatically extended using the automatic rollover system. 3. The deposit will be automatically renewed after maturity until the owner withdraws the deposits. One of the reasons deposit on more products used by banks to collect public funds that you must understand. Namely, deposits, the thing that distinguishes this product from the other two types of products. Saving and current accounts is the problem with distribution, which has a certain time. Withdrawals outside this time will only pose a risk to you in the form of penalties or deduction from the money you have deposited in your deposits. Here are some characteristics of deposits. I. Maturity first. As already mentioned, the funds in the deposit can only be disbursed after the term of the agreement expires, known as maturity. These matured deposits can be automatically extended. B. Short time limits. General deposits have maturities of 1, 3, 6, 12, up to 24 months. Finally, you can choose to deposit your funds in rupiah or foreign currency with a certain period of time. The benefits that can be obtained when opening a time deposit account can be greater than that of checking off or regular saving. The following are some of the benefits of the deposit stock period. I can be used as collateral. One of the difficulties in finding a loan or credit is the absence of collateral that can be used as collateral. By having deposits, you can use the account as collateral for a loan. B. Higher interest if the ordinary saving interest is only around 0.5 to % per year. You will get a higher interest when you choose to keep your funds in a time deposits. You can get an interest index of 5 to 7% per year. C. Finance management. You can better manage your finance with deposit product because the store funds are index prepared for the medium and long term. You can calculate the saved fund along with interest to match your plans for the future. D. Guaranteed by the deposits insurance corporation. No need to worry that your money will disappear when the bank where you deposit your funds goes bankrupt. All of your deposits funds will be granted by the deposit insurance corporation. However, there is a maximum value that can be granted, which is 2 billion. Funds that exceed this number will not be guaranteed.